Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Soon, well, Ashley already started. You'll see videos or shorts on it pretty soon. Ashley's coming back, and we actually have one video I have to edit that will be released in February, but there will be shorts pretty soon of Ashley painting figures and miniatures. So she is going to be back for once. And back then, this wasn't called Lance Fantasy Gaming. It was called Ashley and Lancelot Show. I'm not changing it back to that because I don't know if she's gonna have a little long break again and just do whatever she wants to do. But she fixed Dante. There'll be a video of that. She painted Heisenberg. I gotta edit that. Um, and she's gonna be doing a lot more figures as well and helping with some miniature painting. So I'm very happy for that. And I've been on her all the time because she stopped painting all of a sudden. So now I'm happy she's back to painting. Well, yeah, if you do enjoy the video, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Hopefully next week we'll have Ashley with us doing the updates. And yeah, if you see the videos of her in it, say something nice. Want to see more of her work so she can read it and she'll do more of the painting stuff as well. She is an artist. I'm not. I just know how to put color on canvas. That's it. But other than that, Christmas is around the corner, and we have, let's see here, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 6 more days. 6 more days till Christmas, and then New Year's, and I'm happy to tear all the lights out of my freaking front yard and throw it back in a tote. I am not a Christmas person. If you guys have not noticed that, Christmas is okay. Christmas is great. I think it's more appropriate for kids, not for grown adult that get stuff. And, even though I'll be thankful for it. It's just that, how do I say it? I'm an adult that can actually buy the stuff that I really need or not. But it's just weird. Some people like it. Like Ashley loves Christmas. I'm not. I can care less for Christmas. I don't really care about any of the holidays. Um, it's just I think it's more magical to experience it with your kids. Uh, if you have kids, it's more magical that way. Than when you become an adult, it's like a chore. But everything's been sent out. Everything been sent. Um, yeah, I have pretty much nothing much. Only thing I have is I gotta wait for the remainder of the orcs to be cured. Then I could paint that for the following videos. Then I have a not Leviathan set, but the Wrath of the Soul King Warhammer set that I need to paint. I have the Chaos Army, and I have the Dark Angel Army that I need to paint. So, yes, it's several months old miniatures, but I need to paint them, and I am going to record them and put them out. Hopefully, by a couple months from now, that will be released. Because if I start painting it now, February is almost done, so it'll be probably March or April. You will see that actual painting of the videos if you guys want to see it. But you see shorts of it though, a lot early when I start working at them. Um, we have, I think, two of the Christmas shorts that we made. We got one over 1,000 views, and one other one's like over 2.4K views, and I was very surprised because they're like D&D one shot that my friend did for us with little Christmas characteristics and some Nightmare Before Christmas plastic figures. But he made a wonderful terrain piece by hand by cutting that through foam and so forth as well. That is one of the projects I want to do, but foam is expensive and I don't have a very good wire cutter for it. And I don't really have, I need to organize the closet that we have all the miniatures in. Not all of it, because I have another amount of those miniatures in the garage that needs to be organized and put into that closet as well. So we are going to be working with, we'll be doing a lot of stuff, a lot of changes, and for hopefully next year We'll be doing a lot more of D&D one-shot videos I would like to do, but problem is my friends work, and sometimes they like to be on camera, sometimes they don't like to be on camera. So I have to figure out like which one it is appropriate and if it's okay to post as well. But other than that, I don't have much. Right now I'm on Copilot. I'm taking my little break. All I gotta do is edit, and I have Ashley just paint stuff that I needed to paint. So this is gonna be the next one. She's gonna paint another Heisenberg. It's a bust. I think I printed this and made a video about this. I think last year, because she really loves Resident Evil. Before then, she loved Silent Hill. Then I got, but then she started playing Resident Evil because I told her like Resident Evil is like a little bit better game than Silent Hill in my opinion, due to the fact that there's a lot more puzzle in the original ones, and there are some okay puzzles on the village one, but the biohazard that she hasn't even finished or played yet, it's a lot. It's like original Resident Evil 1 through 3 with the puzzles for those. We are going to be live stream, not live stream, be playing Final Fantasy VII Rebirth next year. That is pre-order. I got the collector's edition by accident. That was like $400 freaking, and I had to donate plasma to pay for that. And we'll be playing Persona 3 Reloaded in February when it first comes out. I try to play the Persona Tactica, Persona 5 Tactica. It is not a good game. Tell you the truth, it is very redundant, in my opinion. I might finish it, I might not. It's just sitting there for now, but I might do the DLC for Pokemon Violet because it actually has Scarlet. But other than that, we won't be printing for a while. Price of resin went up like $2 a liter, and I just found out you can buy a 3 liter of the of Sunlu for like $50, and it's a lot cheaper than buying the individual liter for like $19 a bottle. And I might do some Tam Tam, or Tamu, and some other sites and see any kind of hobby stuff that's good to buy and test it out. But other than that, I have pretty much nothing for it. But hope everyone enjoys their holiday. Be with your family, be your loved ones. If you're alone, you're not alone. You got me. Check our Discord, and we could celebrate Christmas together if you guys really want to. Anyhow, thank you guys very much, and have a great day, guys. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.